Welcome to our English speaking room. Hi, Emily. What are you doing?
Hi, Alex. I'm practicing English. I want to speak fluently.
Really? I also want to improve my English, but sometimes it feels very difficult.
Yes, I understand. I started with very simple sentences at first. Do you practice regularly?
I usually listen to songs and memorize some words, but when I speak, I make mistakes.
Oh, I think you should try reading books. If you read short stories or comic books, it's easier to remember how words are used.
I can try that. Will you help me?
Of course, we can practice together. Today, let's start with small dialogues.
Okay, so what will we learn today?
Let's begin with simple daily life sentences. For example, I am going to school or I am going to eat.
Oh, I get it. That's easy. I'll say, I am going to school.
Very good. Now I'll say, I am going to eat.
Haha, I'll remember that. We will practice like this every day.
Yes, and we can also watch movies. It's easier to learn new words while watching.
That's true. I also want us to write new stories. Writing stories will improve my thinking power too.
Perfect. Learning together is really fun. Helping each other makes learning easier.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English podcasts.